So we're here. We're at the second ever Collegiate Drone Racing Championship here at Purdue. We got 70 so pilots racing from universities across the country, competing to see who's the fastest in the nation and which school can claim that they have the fastest drone racing program here. We're running qualifiers all day, and we're narrowing it down to see who the fastest pilot is. They've got to make it around this trap as fast as they can, as consistently as they can. Go through the gates, go through the flags, don't crash.
Center is probably a pretty safe bet. Really? Oh, you unlock it?
I'm from Aurora, Colorado, and I study mechanical engineering at the University of Alabama. I think it'd be my second year because I started flying about the beginning of my senior year in high school. I think it's the pride in having something that you built that's so high performance, yet you can still have fun with it like it's just a toy. I think that's what I like about drones.
My name is Nick Gear. I'm an aerospace engineering student at the University of Alabama, and I've been there for about 2 years. I've been flying racing drones since about August of this year. The course is different from what I've flown. I've only done one race before, and I haven't been very lucky so far today, but we'll see in the upcoming laps.
My name's Dylan Markram. I'm a junior of mechanical engineering at the University of Alabama. I got into drone racing about 2 years ago. It made me feel like I was flying like a bird. It just seemed like the right kind of fit for me. I loved planes, I loved helicopters. It was just a fun hobby for me. I'm pretty excited about the race. I didn't do so well last year. I've had a year to improve, so hopefully this year I'll do better.
My name is Ben Fisher. I'm from a small town in Wisconsin. I go to the University of Alabama for aerospace engineering. I've been racing for a little over a year. I started last February. I love flying because it feels like you're right inside the cockpit of like a fighter jet. You're going almost 100 miles an hour. It's just really freeing.
I'm Logan Fernandez from Mandeville, Louisiana. I'm at the University of Alabama and I'm an aerospace engineering student. I've been flying drones for about a year and a half. I really like that you can do basically whatever you want with the hobby. I think it's really cool.